exhale releases pain and sadness. I accept love, I accept care, I accept myself fully. My heart becomes softer. My heart becomes